They saw the stillness. Silence is a conspiracy.
The stillness was a lie.
The escape route was built on false ground, is in puberty. The shockwave spreads.
Frail structures collapse.
Do not touch the gift of destruction.
Apathy was the greatest sin. They waited for an angel.
The earth opens its mouth.
The warning came too late. The final moment was stolen.
Fire is the proof of survival.
Pure instinct is never wrong.
The anchor of the past is cut.
Time is no longer a flow. The end has begun.
The toxic breath of the earth. Pressure demands release.
There is nowhere to hide.
Money cannot buy time.
The sound of breaking. Technology's last word is choked.
The surprise attack. And souls swallowed by the abyss.
In the arrogance of the city, they still worked. The omen did not come from thunder. Life's finesse is torn.
Warnings were exposed. The fire appears in the holy book. Power collapses. The government failed. The wound opens.
The truth spreads like lightning.
The light is dead. Chaos begins with the darkness. The network is severed! No one is coming!
Desperation has no limits. The fragility of their own existence.
The truth is exposed. The light revealed itself and withdrew. The symphony of chaos. This is the song of the new era.
The final light. The era of electricity is over.
All connections are broken. Only the cold spark remains.
Transience. An invisible presence is watching.
The shelter has become a tomb. Safety is an illusion.
The truth cannot be locked away. The steel door won't hold the rebirth.
Life is reduced to a teardrop. A single mote carries a terrible truth.
The luggage of life. They cannot escape fate.
Eternal vows are stained with blood. But the truth of love still shines.
The warning was ignored. The truth has been written.
Nature is enraged. That is the destruction.
Hope is destroyed. The sun has turned its back.
Hope is just a word. Only the oppression of reality remains.
The final farewell. all communication is severed.
A spark. That is the core of the new beginning.
The last trace. But there are those who must continue.
The truth lies beyond what the eyes see. It lies where humans dare not look.
The survivor is not afraid of the dark. Fire is the proof of vigilance.
Always ready. That is serenity.
The last lesson. The Ring of Fire will punish the lack of vigilance.
The key is not to find. The essential lock of life.
The protector is not afraid of the dark. Ready for the next pain.
The steps of resilience. It is survival.
Eternal vigilance. We are awake.
Memories are obscured. Memory is fuel.
The flame of hope never goes out. That is the core.
The persistent one, that is the seed of tomorrow.
They prepared for it. Preparation controls it.
Searching for treasure. And the tool to survive.
Locking the future. Life is behind this door.
Everything is precious. The fragility of existence is challenged.
The unity of will. But the bond will never break.
Hope is sown. Preparation is new life.
The bloody trace. The price of rebirth.
The final message. Eyes always open, always vigilant.
Divided by the chasm. They must go alone. Fate is random. Life and nothingness.
Time is frozen. Time is meaningless.
Acceptance. The potato is new life.
The crowd is awake. Only the journey of survival.
Facing the truth. Preparing for the future.
Vigilance. It is survival. Perseverance. That is the banner of vigilance. Fire from the abyss. The rage is coming. Vain effort. Preparation is only a start. The tragic trace. The truth vanishes.
Memories are stained. The price is too high.
Chaos. Only the will remains.
There is no answer. The truth is written in ash.
The truth of loss. But the fight continues.
Time is wasted. Everything changes.
Material preparation failed. Survival is the weapon. Time is reversed. It is a loop. Memories are burned. The face of truth.
Tears. Never forget this face. Survival. The will never dies.
Treasure. The key to life.
The abyss. Only the gap of surprise remains.
The final chime. Only the whisper of truth remains.
Remembrance. The tear of rebirth.
The empty house. Silence prevails.
Memory. Never stop.
The final secret. The key to survival.
The thief has gone. The journey begins.